So check this out. It's February 23rd. It's 6 months after the storm hit, and we're just getting the materials for our roof. So it's been a long time. Let me tell you something else. Dealing with insurance companies and having to get the money and then having to sign it over to your mortgage company, and then having them like monetize or monitor all of the funds. That's not fun at all. Like I said, it took forever just to purchase these materials. It's insane. First, couldn't find any materials because everybody else had problems, like with their roofs and securing it, plus trying to get the money from the mortgage company. It's been a nightmare. But anyway, we're getting our roof. It's starting today. All right. All right, we got a whole crew out here today. They done took the roof off, and yeah, now we're getting ready to put it on. Let me show you some drone footage. So this company came over from New Orleans, Big Mac Construction. They're doing my roof. I've been on a waiting list for a long time, and we're finally getting it done. It's 6 months since the storm actually hit us. So I've been having buckets in my attic, you know, catching water and stuff. So none of that's gonna happen anymore. But these guys came out and they knocked out. They almost finished, from tearing it apart to putting it in a dumpster to, you know, cleaning up and putting the new roof on. They're almost finished. You know, maybe by tomorrow midday they should be done. So, you know, impressive.